Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to use cPanel webmail. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official cPanel website right here, cpanel.net if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started managing your account. So you'll have two options. You can register for a new account if you do not already have one, and if you already have an account, just go ahead and log in. And once you log in guys and you open up cPanel and you install it on your computer, it's going to look like this, and this is going to be your dashboard where you can see all the option menu that you can access, such as your file manager, databases, and so on. As you can see guys, the first option that you'll be able to manage is your email. So here is all your email options that you can manage in cPanel. As you can see guys, here's an official article on cPanel showing us the overview on how to access our webmail. So you'll be able to go ahead and access the domains right here in your browser, and as you can see, you have all the examples and steps that you need to follow. Then you'll be able to go ahead and access the email accounts interface, as you can see, from cPanel into the email and email account section. So here you can go ahead and open up email accounts, and once you do that guys, you can log into your email account that you want to use and you can get started using webmail. From there, if you need even more step info, then you'll be able to find this article right here and follow everything step by step to access it. But this is where you're going to go and be able to find it and use your mail, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.